welcome to our channel Kushi Fans. Today we are going to learn divisions with lower base numbers. Okay, yesterday we learned about Antioch model, Antioch squares. Today we are going with division. Okay, now let's go into the video. Today we are going to discuss about lower base numbers with 99 to 91, 98, 97, 96 up to 91 only we are going to discuss. The base will be 100. Okay. How to substitute our main formula will become Q bracket Q plus R. This will be our main formula. Okay. Now we will go how to do a sum. Okay. First we have to bring a number for formula. First I am going to do with 99. First I am taking the base as 100 and here 99. 1 will be my answer, right? Okay. Now how to do it we will go. I am rubbing this. Here I am taking the example of 188 divided by 99. Okay. First we have to take 188. Okay. And afterwards you have to keep the slash after 2-digit number. You may take 4-digit, 5-digit. If you take any number of 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, you have to keep a slash between 2 digits. Okay. If here how many numbers will be also leave them. Okay. Now this will be our quotient. This will be our remainder. See, Q means quotient, R means remainder. Now we will go into the problem. First here Q is our 1. This will be 1 minute. Here we got 100 minus 99. Here we got 1, right? Now we have to use it. That is Q 1 Q plus R. This will be in our formula for 99, not for other numbers. Formula for 99. Okay. Now we will go into the problem. First my Q is 1 Q and bracket and 1 into, here we don't have any symbol, so we have to take into and 1 plus remainder, that is 88. Okay, here my remainder is 88. Now 1 into 1 plus 88 is equal to 89 will be my answer here. And now here you have to remind one thing. 89 is below 99, so no problem. If 89 is above, if any number here comes product as above 99 or 98, here which formula will use? It is above that number. You have to keep again a slash between two numbers. Okay. So for me no problem. I will tell you that problem also how to do it. Now over here we will remove our bracket. If we do it in this way, the answer will come in decimal only. 1.89 will be my answer. Okay. Here I am doing it with now 98. I will do it. 98, 445 divided by 98. Here the formula will change. Okay. Now I am taking the base as 100, right? Now I am taking here 98. Now here I will get 2. So in the place of 1 you have to substitute 2. I hope you understand. If we take 97, here the product will be, sum will be 3. Here 96, 4. 95, 5. 94, 6. Like that it will come. Reciprocal you can do it. Okay. Now here we have to put a slash after 2 digits. And this is my quotient. This is my remainder. Okay. Now we will go into the sum. First, how to substitute. This will be my formula. Okay. Now 4 quotient is my 4. Now 2 into 4 plus 55. Now 2 into 4 will become 8 plus 55. Now 4 is 8 plus 55, 63. Now here our brackets will go 4.5, 4.63 will become my answer. This is about 98. With 97 or 96, 95, 94 you have to do with same. Okay. Just our formula here will be changed. If I take 97, here I will get 3. 96 I will get 4. Here I can take 95, I will get 5. That's it. You can take like this. Just subtraction. Okay. Here if we don't subtract it with 98, 97, if we don't subtract it with 100, we won't get the correct answer. You should compulsory subtract it with 99, 98, 97 like that. You have to compulsory subtract with 100. If these numbers you have to compulsory subtract. If we subtract only, here we will get the numeral. If we don't subtract, we can't get the correct answer and right formula. Now I am taking an example with 94, that is 4-digit number. Okay. Now we will do how it will be. First we have to divide this two numbers. Okay. Now how we will subtract it with 94, our base. 94, I will get 6. Okay. Now we will go into the formula and steps. First my formula will be Q, 6Q plus R, right? Now we will go. Now my Q is 15 and 6 into 15 plus 31. Okay. Now 15, here I will get 15 into 6, I will get 90 plus 31, here I will get 121. Okay. Here the number is above 94, so still our problem did not finish. How to do our problem now I will tell. This problem continues here. Okay. First I am taking 121, I am dividing it. Now our Q will be 1, 6 into 1 plus 21. Okay. Now 6 into 1, 6 plus 21 will be 27. Okay. Now also our problem did not finish. Here I have 15. And here I should add that 15 plus 1. If we don't add this quotient here, we don't get correct answer in decimal form. Now I will be 16 plus 16 bracket 27. Now I will remove my 2 brackets, 16.27. Now this will be my answer. This topic is for today. Today we have discussed division with lower base from 99 to 91. Okay, but I have done with only 3, 94, 96 and 99. You can do it another by yourself. If you want worksheets, I'll keep in a description below. I'll keep only some, because in description only 5,000 words are sufficient. So that I will keep only some. If you need more worksheet, nearly it's from 20 pages. If you need that, please WhatsApp to this number 967 67 67 965. Bye bye. Hope you like this video. I will meet you in next video. Share this video to all, because division is a big problem in maths. so that it is an easy way to solve it. Now we will meet in next video. Stay tuned up to next video. Bye. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Kushi Fans.